In this video, we'll be going over how to set up and use the ShipStation integration in RepairDesk. Let's get started. ShipStation is a shipping service that lets you manage and ship orders to your customers using a number of different carriers. Here's how you can use ShipStation for your repair business. Start by going to the menu in the top right corner and selecting Integrations. Then click on the Shipping tab and select ShipStation. In order to start using ShipStation, you'll first need to go to the Configuration tab and enable it and add in your unique API keys, which you can find from your ShipStation account. Once you've entered the keys and clicked on the Save button, your integration should now be active. Now, let's talk about the general settings. The Data Resync button lets you synchronize any changes you've made to your carriers and boxes on the ShipStation website to RepairDesk. You can add a markup to cover handling fees or adjust costs, a flat rate to charge your customers for shipping expenses, and have the system print a label and change the ticket status automatically when an invoice is created. After you've set everything up, click on the Save Changes button. Next, let's head to the Shipping Settings tab, where you can select from a number of options for your shipping method and the shipping packages. You'll also be able to create custom packages by clicking on the Create Package button and following the instructions. Once you're done, click on the Save Changes button to proceed. Finally, let's have a look at the Email Notification tab, where you can create a personalized email template to send to your customer once a package has been shipped. Now that ShipStation is all set up, let's head over to the point of sale and see how we can use it. From the POS, select an item and add it to the cart as normal. Once we've done everything, click on the Create Ticket button to complete the process. We'll now see that a ticket has been created. And when we go to edit the ticket, we'll find a new option called Add Shipping. Clicking on it will open up a dialog box asking if you'd like to add a flat rate or custom shipping. Let's go with the latter option for this example. Now, we can add all the details for our custom shipping order, and once you've done that, click on the Get Rate button to retrieve a real-time shipping rate from ShipStation and add it to the ticket. Now it's time to create a shipping label, which we can do directly from ShipStation by clicking on the appropriate button or from within RepairDesk through either the ticket or invoice screen. Once a label has been created, we'll also receive a tracking number, which you can find both in ShipStation and in RepairDesk synced automatically. To learn more about how this integration works, please check out the link to the knowledge base in the description of this video, where you'll find an in-depth guide. That concludes our tutorial on how to set up and use the ShipStation integration in RepairDesk. Thanks for watching.